What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset these Ikea blinds and get the remote working again. So for me, the remote just will not pair no matter what I do, even after a factory reset. I'm going to show you how to fix that right now. You will need the remote as well as the wall dongle right there. And this does come in two pieces here. So there's a USB receiver end as well as the wall adapter. We're gonna go ahead and plug that into the wall now because it does need about 2 minutes to boot up. Now to factory reset the blinds, we're gonna come up here, make sure the battery is charged and put into the blind. You open it like so, and then you could just take the battery out, put the battery in. And you know the blinds are working because if you press the up button, the blinds roll up. And so this is working without the remote right now. And we're gonna stop it, press it down. To factory reset, we're gonna press and hold these two buttons for at least 5 seconds. And you'll see a light will end up coming on here. And when you see it flash rapidly like that, just let go. Your blinds have been factory reset. They're gonna roll all the way to the up position. I'll grab my remote and I'll try to mess with the blinds here and they won't change. If I try to pair the remote to the blinds, it won't work because what you have to first do is pair this remote to that wall adapter and then the wall adapter to the blinds. So to do that, we're gonna go ahead and pop off the back section to this remote control. Go ahead and unscrew that screw, pop a new battery in there and press that reset button 4 times. You'll see a light start flashing rapidly. And you'll see that light flash rapidly right there. Now we're gonna go to that wall adapter here. Again, make sure this wall adapter has been plugged in for about 2 minutes because it does need some time to boot up. And then we're gonna place a remote right next to it, press and hold on the remote for at least about 10 seconds. Press that reset button and you'll see the wall adapter is flashing. In a second, the remote will start flashing rapidly. You see how the remote started flashing rapidly and the light turned off? That lets you know that you can let go of the reset button. Now this remote is paired to the wall adapter, and basically we can go ahead and pair those blinds to this remote and wall adapter now. So on the blinds here, we're just gonna press these two buttons at the same time. We don't need to press and hold them. So we just grab our fingers, press. So you'll notice, press both buttons and then the light will turn on. Now we're gonna press and hold the reset button on the remote to pair it. And you'll notice it is blinking red. And once the blinds jog once, which means goes up and down real quick, you can let go of the button. You see how the blinds just went up and down? That means the remote is fully paired, and now we can use the remote to close the blinds. Guys, these blinds are amazing when they work. However, when they don't work, they're a huge headache, and it's really confusing how to reset and pair these. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Please leave me a big thumbs up if you guys did. Check out my channel for more tech videos. Also, a lot of times these will go on sale at Ikea in the as is section. So I actually picked these up for $15. That's right, $15. When they retail for about $160. Also guys, I'm going to show you how to set the bottom limit on these blinds. So you'll notice the blinds are coming down right now. They usually go to about right here, but I want to set the limit, which means I want the blinds to stop right around the edge of the window here. So you'll notice it's a lot lower, almost touching the floor there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press the up button and it's gonna go up, obviously. When it's at the position that I want it to stop, I'm gonna go ahead and press the down button. All right, so that's the position I want it to be in whenever it comes down. I don't want it to go any further than that. All we're gonna do is we're gonna come here and double tap the bottom button now. The blinds will jog once and it will set that to memory. So if you guys can go to your Ikea, go ahead and try to find one there. A lot of times these aren't paired correctly and they just need to be repaired, and people return them to the store because of that. So it's a really good find. Again, if you found the video helpful, if you guys do have any questions, leave them down below. I will try to get those answered. Let me know what you guys think about these blinds. Let me know if you would get them yourself. And again, see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.